Hey everyone, Akshay here and welcome back to Tech Binder. So today we are having these Redmi Airdots with us. So these are still not officially launched in India, but yeah, somehow you can get in India. Either through Amazon, you will find a number of sellers on Amazon which sell these products without any authenticity, of course. And also you want to even purchase it from Banggood. So I purchased these one from Banggood. So I will drop the link in the description. You can go and purchase yours. So these are priced somewhere at 2000 rupees, and with import duty and all, you will be able to get this at around 2500 rupees. So these are still pretty cheap if we consider some Indian earphones. But let's see how good these are going to be in our test. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. Talking about these earphones in detail, so first thing first, the fitting. The fitting is good. I will not say the best, but yeah, still it's good and fit in your ear if you have the right ear size, and generally they do not fall even if you shake your head or do some exercise. So yeah, they are not having the best fitting, I will say, but yeah, they definitely fit very well in your ears and they do not fall very easily. I would really appreciate if they have given some fin tips or ear hooks so that they fit perfectly and with an extra support. There are some goods and bad in these earphones. Let's first discuss about the goods. So talking about the sound quality is good. I would say it's a mediocre sound quality, not the best and not the worst. So you will really enjoy the sound quality for the price point what you are paying. I don't think you can get a better earbuds or even earphones in this price point. Apart from that, I really like the button tactility on these earphones. Of course they are not touch because it's very difficult to get touch in this price point. But still, if you want some touch control earphones, you will find the video on the card and also in the description. Go and check it out. So if you want a normal or natural tone, definitely these are very good. But if you want deep bass or something, definitely these are not recommended. The vocals are clear and crisp. So now moving on to the connectivity and range. The connectivity is really great because these are having Bluetooth 5.0 and definitely you can use it even in indoors and outdoors. So in terms of video playback or games, you will find around 0.2 to 0.3 seconds of lag. But yeah, in music you will be not able to recognize it. Talking about the call quality is good, it's not the best. The position of the microphone is somewhere on the top, so you cannot find very good audio quality. If you are in marketplace or in metro, you will find that there will be a little bit problem to the other party when you are using this for calls. So keep these things in mind. These are not pretty great in calls, but yeah, they definitely serve the purpose of calling. Now moving on to the battery life. The battery life is really great. They claim it around for 12 hours of battery life. The casing is pretty great. It's a plastic casing. It's not the metallic one and it's really lightweight. And this one is having 300 milliamperes of battery, and each one of these are having 40 milliamperes of battery. This box can charge these earbuds for somewhere around 3 to 4 times. It depends upon how you discharge them. So it's really lightweight, and even if you put it in your pants pocket, you will find that there is no bump and it's very difficult to distinguish whether there are earbuds in your pant or not. So really lightweight, really tiny, and I really enjoy this part of these earphones. So total 4 charges gives you around roughly 12 hours of battery life. They charge through micro USB and they take around 2 hours to completely charge. So these earphones are cheap earphones. These are not the premium earphones and you're getting it for around 2000 rupees. So keep that thing in mind, because in this price point you will find wireless earphones, not earbuds. So it's really a bonus if you are getting these wireless earpods for 2000 rupees. Okay, so I really like this opening case. It's a magnetic one and I really appreciate that they have given a magnetic casing for this price point. It's really great. Wow. Okay, now let's talk about the multifunction button. So yeah, they do have multifunction button which you can use it for play and pause. You can use it for receiving or rejecting calls, but you cannot go to the previous or next track by using this, and you cannot increase the volume. So this is a little bit disappointment from these earbuds, but yeah, there's a bonus point. You can call your voice assistant. So whether it's a Bixby, whether it's a Siri, whether it's a Google, you can call the voice assistant very easily just by double pressing the multifunction button. It doesn't matter whether you call your voice assistant from left or right, it works in both ways. And these are highly recommended if you're looking for true wireless earbuds in 2000 rupees price point. And also they have mentioned an IPX4 rating, but yeah, still you can definitely use it in the gym or workout, and it definitely are going to be sweat resistant, although it is not mentioned. I tested myself and it works great in sweat. I will leave the link in the description. You can go and purchase it. So thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you like our content, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you've not subscribed till yet, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notification. This is Akshay signing off, and catch you in the next video.